Fuel is one of the only car expenses you pay every single week. And yet, most drivers are making simple fuel mistakes that quietly waste money and even damage their car. These aren't rare problems, they're daily habits. The worst part? They feel completely normal. In this video, I'll show you 7 fuel mistakes only careless drivers keep making, and how to stop burning your money at the pump. Let's start with the one that wastes the most cash. 1. Using premium fuel, when your car doesn't need it. 0, 50, 2, 30. This is probably the biggest fuel myth still alive. Many drivers think premium fuel automatically means more power, better engine health, better mileage. But if your car is designed for regular fuel, premium does absolutely nothing extra. Modern engines are built with specific compression ratios. If your manufacturer recommends regular, premium won't improve performance. You're just paying more per liter or gallon for no benefit. Premium is only necessary for engines specifically designed for it. If your fuel cap says regular, believe it. Over a year, this mistake can cost hundreds. That's money literally burned for no reason. 2. Running your tank near empty. All the time, 230 to 4 Schraub. Some drivers treat the fuel warning light like a challenge. They wait until the last possible moment to refill. Here's the problem. Fuel pumps rely on gasoline to stay cool. When your tank is low, the pump has less cooling. Heat shortens fuel pump life. Also, sediment collects at the bottom of the tank. When fuel runs low, that debris can get pulled into the system. Fuel pump replacements are not cheap. Keeping your tank above 1 quart protects the system. Saving a few minutes at the gas station isn't worth a repair bill. 3. Aggressive acceleration that burns extra fuel. 5.4 or the 5.30. Pressing the gas hard from every red light wastes fuel dramatically. Rapid acceleration increases fuel injection volume. More fuel, or more money burned. Smooth, gradual acceleration improves fuel efficiency significantly. Even small changes in driving style can improve mileage by 10–20%. Over time, that adds up. Aggressive driving doesn't just waste fuel, it stresses the engine, transmission, and tires. Driving smarter isn't slower, it's cheaper. 4. Idling for long periods. 537 South. Many drivers let their car idle for long periods. Warming up, waiting in parking lots. Sitting with AC on modern engines don't need long warm-ups. Idling burns fuel without moving the vehicle. You're literally getting 0 mileage. Also, excessive idling causes carbon buildup inside the engine. Start the car, wait briefly, drive gently. Idling for 10–15 minutes daily wastes a surprising amount of fuel over months. 5. Ignoring tire pressure. This is a silent fuel killer. Underinflated tires create more rolling resistance. That means your engine works harder to move the car. Harder work, more fuel burned. Even slightly low tire pressure reduces fuel efficiency noticeably. Over time, you waste money and wear tires unevenly. Checking tire pressure once a month takes minutes, but most drivers ignore it until the warning light appears. Small habit, big impact. 6. Overfilling the tank after the pump clicks. When the pump clicks off, the tank is full. Continuing to pump more fuel can damage the evaporative emission system. Modern cars are designed with vapor recovery systems. Overfilling can flood charcoal canisters, trigger check engine lights, damage emissions components. You think you're rounding up, but you may be causing expensive repairs. When it clicks, stop. 7. Ignoring a dirty air filter. 10 Browns 1130. Your engine needs air to mix with fuel properly. If the air filter is clogged, airflow is restricted. That can reduce fuel efficiency. While modern engines adjust fuel-air ratios automatically, a severely dirty filter still reduces efficiency. Replacing an air filter is inexpensive. Ignoring it for years reduces engine performance and wastes fuel. Check it regularly. It's a simple, cheap maintenance item. Deeper insight. Here's what all these mistakes have in common. None of them destroy your car instantly. They drain money slowly. Small fuel waste repeated weekly becomes large over a year. Drivers often focus on big repairs, but ignore small habits that constantly cost them money. Fuel efficiency isn't just about the car, it's about driving behavior and maintenance awareness. If you avoid these 7 fuel mistakes, you'll save money every week, protect your fuel system, improve efficiency, reduce long-term repair costs. Fuel is unavoidable, but wasting it is optional. Drive smarter, spend less, and stop giving your money away at the pump. Driving hard on a cold engine. When your engine is cold, oil hasn't fully circulated. Cold oil is thick and doesn't lubricate properly. If you accelerate hard immediately after starting, metal parts rub under poor lubrication. Over time, this increases wear inside the engine. The fix: start the car. Wait 20-30 seconds. Drive gently for the first few minutes. 2. Resting your foot on the brake. Even light pressure keeps brake pads touching rotors. This causes heat buildup, faster pad wear, warped rotors, reduced fuel efficiency. Brakes are for stopping, not resting your foot. Lift your foot fully when not braking. 3. Running the fuel tank. Too low fuel pumps use gasoline for cooling. When you constantly drive near empty, pump overheats. Sediment gets sucked into system, injectors clog. Keep it above 1/4 tank when possible. 4. Shifting between reverse and drive. While rolling shifts shock the transmission. It forces gears to reverse direction under load. Always stop fully before changing direction. Transmission repairs are expensive for a reason. 5. Ignoring small noises. That small squeak, that light vibration, small issues grow. Brakes, suspension, wheel bearings. Early fixes are cheap, late fixes multiply. 6. Hard acceleration. From every red light. Sudden torque strains. Transmission engine mounts CV joints, tires occasional. Fine. Daily habit. Expensive. Smooth acceleration extends lifespan.